Okay, so here's an interesting one. These JBL's pretty sensitive to noise. They're a good speaker, quite clean sounding. I've got the gains here on their line inputs, but the sensitivity does go right up. You can hook a mic there with the jacked XLR if you want. So I was listening to some music, a bit noisy. I was thinking, okay, what's going on here? They're normally not. Like, I can bring that gain right up. You might just hear there is just a little hum, not much. If I go back to, let's say, 2/3 or something like that, no noise at all. Now I've got fluoros running up here. So that's one thing that could add to noise. This goes to power board there, power board into the mains up on top. Got a couple of outlets around the shed. One of the things, which is running on the far side of the shed, is one of these little lab supply units. Now this was a cheap eBay, they're no-name brand things, like that's the model there, QWMS 3010D. And it's a pretty handy little thing. So this is a 10 amp, 0 to 30 volt, I think it was. It doesn't say there, but let's just switch it on. So no current being drawn, it's just sitting at 14 volts. Let's have a listen now. Way louder. Now, that's with no load. It's got some old batteries I was testing. I thought I'll just use that as a quick battery charger test. So this is, it's got the fan going now. It's only drawing a couple of amps. Brought it down to 12.9, so it's doing current limiting, which might be making it a bit choppy. But listen to this. That's huge. I've got plenty of other power supplies that don't do that, so interesting to know. I'd be curious to put the oscilloscope on the main supply and just see what sort of crap that's inducing in the mains. Handy having a lab supplier, but cheap ones are definitely cheap ones. Well built ones are more expensive for a reason. Anyway, there you go.